Yo, what up everybody, it's your boy Frenchiie. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be teaching you guys how to hard reset your iPhone 13. So the first thing you guys are going to want to do is push the volume button up, down, hold the lock button. Continue to hold the lock button until your phone completely turns off until you see the Apple logo. Once you see the Apple logo, you can then release. If you guys need further assistance on any other iPhone related videos, shoot a comment down below or message me on Instagram. You now can let go. And there you guys go, your phone has been hard resetted.